Okay. Hello, guys. I just want to quickly say one or two things about advertising. I want to believe you can see my screen. Actually, the truth is, every business needs advertising. And then, if you look at the trend in advertising, social media advertising is really taking over the space. And there are three major big shots. We have YouTube, Google, and Facebook. So you can learn any of these three and scale up your business. You can't continue to remain that small business for years. You need to make up your mind. And out of these three, start with one. I'm starting with Facebook because I feel the targeting power is excellent. And we need a very good mindset. Our mindset is key when it comes to advertising. Okay, in advertising, there are four stages. Okay, you collect data, you analyze the data to know who are your perfect audience, who are the people that are buying from you, their age, their gender, okay, which state are they from, which country are they from, what's their age range, okay. Once you know that, the next thing is to scale up. You optimize, then you scale up. Four stages: data collection, testing, optimize, then you scale up. And that's how you grow your business. Either you're using YouTube, Facebook, or Google, pick one of these three big shots, because these three are biggest sources of what? Traffic. Pick one of them as a business entity. Master it. Except if you want to give it to agency to run for you. Master it. Learn it. Why are you learning it? It is a backbone of it is a blood of your business. Yes, you have a niche, you find yourself. It is not enough. How do you sell? How do you increase your sales? Okay, it's very important. Now, for Facebook, look at this Facebook ad library report. Now, this is a country. If you look at my cursor at the right upper part of the right hand side, you will see United States. In United States, what do you have here? They have over 12 million ads. 12 million ads. And total cost of the 12 million ads is over $2.7 billion that they are spending on adverts. And that is on Facebook. Some people will say Facebook does not work. Some people will say Facebook will ban your accounts. Okay. Now come here. Top searches from past week. Free shipping for those that are into e-commerce and other. Amazon, Nick, American Progress, now real estate. These are, people advertising, spending by advertisers. 8 August 2021. You can see Nick is a very popular brand. They spent $93,893 just on 4 ads. Just on 4 ads. Lower my biz. You see, they spent $51,532 on 49 ads. We have Facebook, $38,253 on 257 ads, and all and all. If you change the country, you will see other countries running ads. And let's come to Nigeria. In Nigeria, we have NTN Nigeria. We have different companies. I just decided to choose popular brands. NTN Nigeria is running ads. Let me go down. You can see this one. They started this one 19th of June and it's active. You can see what they are running. If it is not working, you will not see all these ads. They are all active. If it is not working, you can imagine an advert that they started running since 19th of June. That should be June, 2 months ago. Okay, 19th of June. It's still running. If they are not making money, they will not do it. And this same ad is on Facebook, is on audience network, it is on Messenger. Okay, so it is our mindset. Let's keep a positive mindset. Okay, and when you do that, you will see results. Okay, you will see results. This is Dulux Nigeria. Airtel Nigeria. There's so many companies that are running adverts. Okay, this one was this one was May 2021 and all that. So you can see the different ads these guys are running. Okay, let me quickly do something. Let me see and get the results. Okay, I couldn't get this one because this is United States. Okay, let me see another country if we have anything in such country. Okay, I think majorly you've seen in African countries. Okay, I'm not seeing any result there. So you can see the point I'm making. Eh? So, mommy, a customer. Adúpẹ́, ó wà máa pẹ̀lẹ́ mà. In fact, èmi náà understand. Mo ti pè mo pé tí wọ́n á sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ máa sọ pé mò ń fi ń ṣe ẹ̀yẹ. Mo ní ẹ mọ̀ kí èèyàn máa ṣe sí o easy. Iṣẹ́ yẹn. Àmì ẹ máa sọ pé mò ń ṣeré mi ò ṣeré mo ń wọ́n tí mo sọ. Ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ mà. Àánú kọ̀ àánú mo mísì kíní némi yẹn Naroli. Búkì ló ń sọ fún mi pé òun náà attend. Mo ní ó ṣe send WhatsApp yẹn sí mi kí mi náà attend. No, send sí mi. Búkì mu in fact mo pe Búkì ẹ pé àwọn ti ṣe kọjá. Mo ní Okay. No problem. Okay. Ṣẹ́gun ńkọ́ ṣé ń gbọ́ ẹ̀? Ó parí màá bá sọ̀rọ̀ ńgbà yẹn. Ó ga ọ. Báwo dẹ̀ ní school ma? Ẹ ti gba kéètì náà at least ẹ máa rest nsìn. Kí ló dé? Okay. Ó ga ọ. Ó ga Naija. Àwọn guys wọ́n serious wọ́n pọ̀ ti kọjá stage yẹn ṣá. Àwọn serious àtọ́ wọ́n serious. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Okay, ṣé wọ́n ní program lẹ́yìn ni? Ṣé youth? Can you imagine? Okay. That's good though. That's very good though. Yeah, thank God for the global church. Okay. 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 Ah, that's good though. That's very good. Oh, girl, ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ mà. Okay. Ah, it is well. Oh. That's good though. It is well. Mommy, mama ńkọ́? Ẹ wò wọ́n wà ń bẹ̀ jàre. Wọ́n wà ń bẹ̀, gbogbo wà ń bẹ̀. Díẹ̀ díẹ̀. Ó ti dàgbà, ó náà wà ń bẹ̀, at least ó ti wọ 1 year 6 months báyìí. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni o, bẹ́ẹ̀ni, ó ti dà. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Ó mọyàn bàjẹ́. Ó mọyàn seriously. Ó mọyàn seriously. Ó máa ń disturb gan. Ó máa ń disturb gan. Ó máa ń disturb gan. Even ní church, ó máa ń disturb gan church as in ó máa scatter it. Ó máa ń disturb gan. Ó máa ń disturb gan. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Kó ètì dàgbà kó lọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ school, ó ti sú mi náà. Wàhálà ẹ̀ ti pọ̀ jù jàre. Àwọn parents ń try o. Ẹ̀wọ̀n kò easy o, kọ́ ló ń ṣàníyàn ni. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Investment yẹn ga o. The sacrifice is on the high side. Is on the high side o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. That's true. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Tòótọ́ ni. Ọlọ́run ṣàníyàn ni o. Ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ mà. Yes ma. Ṣé ń gbúròó Sista Bíọ́lá? Ọ̀gá. Ìgbàlẹ̀ máa lọ báyìí, ìgbàlẹ̀ máa lọ sọ́dọ̀ àdún. Okay. Ṣé wọ́n rẹ̀ pé àjẹ́ nǹkan wọn padà? So that's it. So what is our mindset? Let's just make up our minds that I want to make money, then learn the skill. If you have any challenge, I can assist where I need to assist. Okay. So face your business, face advertising. It really help you. Thank you.